Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics in one day. We'll start by identifying the most crucial topics in both micro and macroeconomics. The goal is to grasp the foundational ideas, not to memorize every detail. Think of it as building a strong framework. We'll then move on to efficient learning techniques that maximize your retention in a short time frame. This approach helps you understand the big picture quickly. For microeconomics, begin with the bedrock principles of supply and demand. How do they interact to set prices? Next, explore different market structures, such as perfect competition versus a monopoly, and their implications. Finally, delve into elasticity. Understanding how consumers and producers respond to price changes is crucial. These concepts form the backbone of individual economic behavior. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your study snacks fresh or organizing your meals for a busy day. You can find the link for these, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Shifting to macroeconomics, focus on the big picture. Start with gross domestic product, inflation, and unemployment. These are vital metrics. Then, explore how governments use fiscal policy, like taxation and spending, and how central banks use monetary policy to influence the economy. Finally, grasp the aggregate demand and aggregate supply model to understand economic fluctuations. This provides a broad view of national economies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.